Hello everyone, this is Justin Jos Thomas. My registration number is CR15CS031. This is my experiment number 7 in System Software and Compiler Lab. It's about a predictive parser. The aim of the predictive parser is to write a program in C to parse a given string using non-recursive predictive parsing for a given grammar. For that, a code is written here. First of all, I'm starting importing the header files Java, buffer reader, input stream, array list, scanner. Then after that, we are going to experiment number 7 compiler, protected character array, then protected integer of top and size. Top and size will be protected and its data type is integer. Public exp7 compiler size equals to, initially I'm declaring size equals to 20, array equals to new character of size, and top will be equals to -12. Then we have to push the character, so public void push, name I'm giving. If top plus 1 is greater than equals to the size, then throw new index out of the bound exception, overflow exception. If top plus 1 is less than the size, then the array, then the top will be incremented and it will be placed in that array, and that will be equal to I. Then to pop, a public character pop is there, return that array and top will be decremented -. Then to display that array, then for loop is there, for int I equals to top, I will be greater than equals to 0 and I will be decremented. Then this statement for the print, the array of I will be printed. Then I'm taking a class named parser. In that parser, public static void main string array, and we are throwing an exception. After that, we are creating a new buffer reader. Then the input stream reader will be inputted. It will ask the user to enter the number of terminal. Then it will read the line. Then the number of non-terminal, again it will read the line for this statement. Now enter the starting non-terminal in the grammar. And the character state will be equals to the read line plus the character array. After that, here you can see, please enter all the terminals simultaneously. String alphabets will be equals to the new strings, and the alpha set will be there. For loop is there, for int I equals to 0, I should be less than alpha set, then I will be incremented. Alpha set of array of I will be the read line, br.read line. Then alphabet will be equals to the new of that array list. For int I equals to 0, I should be less than that alpha set, and then I will be incremented. Now to enter the non-terminal simultaneously, this is the statement. Then it will take the string to the state set. Loop will be there where it will check with the I. If I is less than state set, then I will be incremented, and the value of that I will be placed in that alphas of the array. Then alpha will be equal to the new of the array list. Moving forward, for the epsilon use at the end. Now a for loop is there, for int s equals to 0, s should be less than the state set, and the s will be incremented. Now to enter the rows for the transaction table, we are taking a new r of integer data type, where it should be less than the alpha set, and the r will be incremented. Now to print in the 2D array, our transaction of s and r will be equals to int of 1. For int s equals to 0, s should be less than state set and r should be less than alpha set. Then it will give the output. Moving on to the integer y I'm declaring here, do loop. Here you can see give input to the parser. We are giving input to the parser. Now for the dollar and hash character, we are giving input. A new exp7 compiler file I'm creating. Now for the hash table, while input.character index should not be equals to hash com.display, character 3 will be equals to the input.character at index. Then for integer index 1, index 2, similarly with that. If it's not, then the given string is not accepted, it will show in the output screen. Then system.out.println string c will be equals to transaction of index 2 and 1, that will split it with this symbol. Then for loop is there. For int I equals to d dot len minus 1, I will be greater than equals to 0, I minus minus. D of I should not be equals to that at the rate symbol. Com dot push d of I. Character ch will be equals to com dot pop. Then if ch double equals to the character 3, index will be incremented. Else if character is dollar, then it will push it in that stack. Else the com dot push give the ch value. If input dot character at index minus 1 is equals to that dollar symbol, it will give the output like passing completed successfully. Then if you want to continue, you can press 1. This will take here, while y should be equals to 1. So here I have written the output. I am giving the terminal 6, non-terminal 5, and the starting non-terminal in the grammar is capital E. Please enter all the terminals simultaneously. So I have entered all the terminal a plus dollar closing bracket, opening bracket, and all. Now for enter all the non-terminal simultaneously. So I have entered the non-terminal in capital 1. For epsilon, use at the rate I have given above as to in the output screen. Now to enter the rows of the transaction, E tends to TA null, and this I am giving all the input. So this is the row entry of the transaction table. Here you can see I am giving the input dollar hash character a plus a star a dollar and hash character. So stack input and output 3 table has been created with e dollar. At the end dollar will be there for everyone. Then the input which I have given here, the output will be shown over here. And here you can see array index out of bond exception will be equal to the 1. So this is all about my experiment number 7. Thank you for watching the video.